Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to give you guys a demo and a review on this foundation. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we are going to be reviewing and demoing the Morphe this is the Filter Effect foundation. So today I have it in the color Deep 35, the Filter Deep 35. So I feel like that's a good match. I don't know because I have to do it online, so fingers crossed. To prime my face, I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Milk Hydro Grip. I always say that wrong, but yeah, I love this primer for nearly like every foundation because it's perfect for my combo skin and it has not failed me yet, so with any foundation. So I'm really here for it, and yeah, so I'm using this one. Okay, so now that I've primed my face, I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyebrows on off camera, as this is just about the foundation. Now I do have the brush here, so I am going to be using the brush today to see how this works as well, because I'm super excited to see how it works with the foundation and everything. And this is the E63 brush. So yeah, I'm going to use these two. Okay divas, so now I have the foundation all over my face, as you guys can see. So I just quickly want to tell you guys like how I feel about this foundation and everything, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so jumping right in, I did try this foundation first with a beauty sponge, and excuse this one, it's all dirty, sorry. But I did try it with a beauty sponge, and I do like the way that it blends. This foundation really reminds me of the this Sephora foundation. I just reviewed this one, should have been yesterday, but I just reviewed this foundation and they have a lot of similarities. Now there is some differences with it, and I'll go ahead and tell you guys, but blending it with the sponge was an easy application, as well as blending it with the brush. As you guys can see, I still have a flawless application even with the brush, and I really do like it. I absolutely love this brush because this is going to be perfect when you want to well, this is going to be perfect for any time when you want to get into these areas, without messing up your brows. That could be like really hard to do. So I feel like the shape of the brush, like you see how it's like small enough to get right into those areas, I feel like this brush is perfect for that. Also the brush is not super dense, but it's not super like fluffy or anything either. I don't know, it's just like perfect. So honestly, I really do like this brush. It's definitely going to be one of my go-to brushes because it's really nice. And this is the E63 by Morphe, and I really do like this brush, so I'm super glad that I got to try it out. So as far as how the foundation blends, it blends nicely with the sponge or the brush. Like I said before, it blends out very easy. It's not like hard to blend out at all, which I really do like. I also like how lightweight the foundation is on the face. It gives like that natural from within glow, so it looks like it could possibly be your skin. Okay, so you don't have to worry about being clocked and being like like it looked like she's caked up. Like, no, you will look like, you know, it could possibly be your skin. Like, it's your skin but perfected. So I really do like that, and that's the similarities that I think that it has to the Best Skin Ever foundation. I feel like both of these are very skin-like, and I love skin-like finishes because I feel like it looks more, even though obviously we want like that makeup look, but you still want something that looks like your skin. You don't want anything that's gonna just cake up and look crazy. So yeah, it's very lightweight on the skin, very easy to blend. Now let's go ahead and talk about the finish. So if you guys don't know, I am combination. My T-zone is oily and the rest of my face is pretty much dry to normal. So with this foundation, I definitely feel like I'm getting a little bit more matte out of it, to be quite honest. It's not like, I feel like this is like a soft matte, so it's not like really matte to the point where you're like, oh my gosh, like it's so dry, but it is a soft matte to the point where it's matte but then it still has like that softness to it, if it makes if that makes any sense. So yeah, I really do like that. Whereas the Sephora one, I feel like this is not a matte, or it's not matte or dewy or anything. It's like that in between. I feel like this one is leaning more towards a soft matte, which I'm not mad at all. That does work with my skin type. So it doesn't make me look dry over here, and then it doesn't make me too oily in the T-zone area either. Now, I did have to blot a little bit in my T-zone area when I wore this foundation first. So if you are oily, you will definitely have to blot. I had to blot, I think it was about 5 hours in, which I feel like is good. Any foundation that, especially when you're oily, because it's your skin type, it's sometimes it's just not gonna, you know, it's not gonna work with foundation. But I feel like that's pretty good, like not having to blot for 5 hours. You guys know we are wearing masks now, so that kind of makes our skin act a little funny. So I like the fact that I was able to wear it for 5 hours before I had to blot. That was really, really good. And as far as the drier areas and the drier portions of my face, I don't feel like it's too dry, like to the point where it's like, oh my gosh, like this is drying my skin out. Like I said, it's a soft matte, so it kind of just correlates well with my skin and just kind of gives me like that flawless look that I really, really do like, the skin like look. So I really do like this foundation. Would I say whether it's for combo, or would I say if it's for oily or dry skin, I think this is definitely for both skin types. Overall, I like this foundation. Definitely can carry this through all the seasons because it is a soft matte, and I feel like soft matte foundations you definitely can carry through all seasons. And yeah, I mean, this is a win. Like, I feel like we're getting so lucky with these foundation drops because, honey, when can you get, like, it's a $20 foundations and they look like this? Like, that's just crazy. But yeah, I definitely would recommend it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.